Welcome Libra, welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? Also, if one more important thing, if you want to support our channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Via PayPal and Google Pay, you can donate if you want to support our channel. And if you want to book one-on-one reading with me, personal reading with me, related to career, situationship, relationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that we are conducting 10 days online tarot learning workshop. Uh, how 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 tarot cards are being read, and how one card resonates with another card. Okay, so if you want to join our session online or via WhatsApp video calls, then you can enroll us. The details are given in the description box below. The last and the most important thing, guys, is that if you want to participate on as a in our soul giveaway, so you can participate. And for that, you have to like my channel, you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to comment down below hashtag Vasoul giveaway. Okay, for the same. And also for the entry of the participant, the details are given in the description box below. The last and the most important thing, guys, is that we are conducting daily live sessions on my Facebook page between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you want to join me over there, you can. Okay, on my Facebook page, Vasoul Tarot Prediction. Okay, let me check it out what's going on with you guys, Libras. Today's topic is desire, direction and detail. Okay, let me check it out. What are you desiring for? What is your direction, and what is the detail to go about it? Okay, so let me check it out. Your desire is really very bad. Direction is the Fool, and your detail is wish fulfillment. Let me check it out what's going on with Four of Pentacles, guys. I hope this is visible. I am visible to you guys because my mom has changed my setup. Okay, so yes. Okay, Four of Pentacles. Okay, gaining clarity. Okay, so I think your desire is to remove all the obstacles which is coming into your way, and you want to gain a lot of clarity. You were holding back in the past, and now you are gaining a lot of clarity, and or else you want to gain a clarity and you are removing all the obstacles. You are putting your foot down. Okay, like being into your own power, that is your desire. Okay, no more confused. There might be a lot of confused energy, conflicted energy, fights were going on around you or in your head. Okay, so you want to get away from all these energies, and you want to remove all these obstacles, problems, situations related to situation, relationship, careership, anything. You are trying to remove all these obstacles, and you are gaining a lot of clarity. You are releasing all those the stuck energy of holding back. Okay, yes, let me check it out. What is your direction? New beginning. Your direction is that you have to move forward into your life. Okay, to reach to that goal. Okay, wow, the Lovers. Okay, so if either you walked away or there is something which there is a direction. Okay, if you want to remove your obstacles, that is your desire, then your direction is that you have to move forward from a connection. Okay, you have to move away, you have to be you have to move away. There is a new beginning when it comes to uh, a new life. Okay, is waiting for you, but for that you have to there might be a person, whether you walked away from someone or the other person walked away from you. So I feel you have to have a new beginning into your life, either with this person or this connection, or else alone. But I feel if you will move forward alone, a lot of opportunities are waiting for you. Okay, so you have to, yes, let me clarify the Fool and the Lovers once. Okay, yeah, you have to take your power back and you have to move forward into your life, no matter what. Okay, yes, the Lovers is clarified by King of Pentacles. This is a grounding energy. Okay, so I think if you want a new beginning when it comes to your finances, if you want a new beginning when it comes to your life. Okay, you have to move away from this connection and you have to move forward. Once you move forward, there is a lot of abundance waiting for you. You can gain a lot of abundance financially and you will earn a lot of abundance is waiting for you once you move away from this connection, and you have to have a new beginning. You have to take a risk to have leave this connection and to have a new beginning. Okay, because King of Wands is all about independent energy, moving forward independently. Okay, starting up your own business, establishing yourself. Okay, so yes guys, let me check it out what is there in your detail. Okay, so detail is all about someone is offering an offer towards you when it comes to your wish. There was some sort of wish you had when it comes to your career, finances. You were daydreaming. Okay, you were manifesting it, you were thinking about it, contemplating it, and some sort of rebuilding of this finances and income will take place, and this will lead to a wish fulfillment. And it will only happen when once you gain a clarity when it comes to this connection. Okay, once you leave this connection and you move forward, I think you will gain a lot of clarity. You will start rebuilding your own pentacles, your own life. Okay, and this will lead to wish fulfillment. Okay, so yes guys, the people who are in a separation, or the people who are who have broken up, so this is for them, and they are thinking about their past relationship or something like that, thinking about a reconciliation. So this is all about that. You if you want to move forward, you can, because there's a lot of abundance waiting for you. Okay, so yeah, let me check it out. Yeah, once you have done this, a wish fulfillment when it comes to a long term wish, whatever you were thinking about, it was like 6 years back, whatever one wish you had, okay, about yourself, about this life. Okay, so those wish will be getting fulfilled. Okay, so yes guys, if you have a conflicted energy to stay in this connection or not, so I would suggest you to move forward into your life, take a risk to move forward. Okay, because a lot of abundance is waiting for you. Okay, so yes guys, this is only for the people who are not single, who were into a relationship, or who were into separation, or who were who had a lot of fights into this any relationship. Okay, only for a specific group of people, not every one of you out there Libras. Okay, so yes guys. Okay, because I'm getting only one. I think this reading will only resonate with only few people out there, maybe just 10 people. Okay, because this is a very rare energy we get. Okay, so yes guys, and I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasool Tarot Prediction. Thank you so much guys.